Hi, in this short video we'll try to explain the equivalence of resistors connected in series and in parallel. Just to recap some of the information, that if we have resistors in series we have to add them up to find the equivalence. If the resistors are in parallel we have to use this formula. Let's start with this application. Here we have a set of 6 resistors as you can see in this figure. To find the equivalence we will start with resistors R3 and R5. They are in series, so we have to add them up. The answer will be 40. Using figure number 2, resistors R2, R4 and R35, they are in parallel. So now we can draw a new figure with these 3 resistors up to 1 resistor. We can change them into 1 resistor. Then the new figure will be, as you can see here in figure number 3. Here we have R1, R3542 and R6. To find the equivalence of these 3 resistors, we will use the second formula, which is 1 over R equivalent equal 1 over R1, etc. Just substituting the values and doing the calculation, we will get 20 ohms. Finally, these 3 resistors are in series, so we have to add them to find the equivalence of all these resistors. The answer will be 100 ohms. In application number 2, here we have a set of 4 resistors, as you can see in this figure. To calculate the equivalence of all these resistors, we will start with the resistors R3 and R4. R3 and R4, they are in parallel, and now we can use one of these two formulas, which is 1 over R34 equal to 1 over R3 plus 1 over R4. Or we can use the other formula, which is R34 equal to R3 times R4 over R3 plus R4. Substituting the values, we will get 20 ohms. Then using figure number 18, we will have 3 resistors, R2, R34 and R1. Now R2 and R34, they are in series, so we can add these resistors and the answer will be 40. Now using figure 19, we have 2 resistors with these values 40 and 60 ohms. At the end we can take these resistors in parallel, and using the same formula we will get 24 ohms.